Trust in the Lord with all your heart, and lean not unto your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge him, he shall direct your paths. The steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord, and he delights in his way. Though he fall, he shall not be utterly cast down, for the Lord upholds him with his hand. Remember, all of you, not the former things, neither consider the things of old. Behold, I will do new things. Now it shall spring forth. Shall all of you not know it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the desert. But my God shall supply all your need according to his riches in glory by Christ Jesus. And let the beauty of the Lord our God be upon us, and establish you the work of our hands upon us. Yes, the work of our hands establish you in.